In this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply for a job at Walmart online. So here's what you need to do. So first, go to Google and then just search here for Walmart jobs. And once you've done that, you'll be then shown a list of all of these results. You may get some advertisements, so I wouldn't click on that. Go to the Walmart website, which is going to be careers.walmart.com. So once we click on that, we can go to their website and we can search for a job. So you can choose all career areas, or if you want a specific one, you can choose that too. But what I would do is search for location. So type in a city or a state where you want to work. So I'm going to type Birmingham, Atlanta. We can then click search. And what it's going to do then is it's going to show you all of the results. So we've got 14 jobs available in this location. So here we can see if we wanted to work in the fuel station, we could click on that. Now we're taken to information about this role. They're hiring full and part-time. And here's a brief overview of what you'll actually do. To actually apply, click on the apply button. It will then take you to another website, and it's going to take you through the application process. Go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions. Click continue. And then from here, we can go ahead and click search for jobs. And we want to then enter in the city name again once more. Then go ahead and find the actual job which is available. Now, they must list these jobs on here to get you over to this hiring website. I don't know why they do that, but they do. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this Walmart Supercenter. We can check this box. We can then click continue. So let's go ahead and apply for one of these. You can see the pay per hour, and you can see obviously if it's full-time or part-time. I'm going to select this one, the deli bakery team. We can click continue, and then you can go through this application process. Now this is going to filter out jobs specifically for you. So I'm going to put full-time, and I'm going to list all of these. Then we'll click continue, and then from here we can go ahead and set up our account on Walmart. And we can go ahead and then continue applying for that specific job. And what will happen is Walmart will then email you future jobs or send you a message to your phone number. So I hope that helped you out. Go ahead and apply for the job, and good luck.